Hello, I am Dragos, and in this video we will see how we can set up Google Analytics on a WordPress blog to be able to see the traffic that the site is receiving and also see the clicks that are done to the affiliate links that you may have or to the outbound links that you have on an article. With having analytics enabled on your WordPress site, you'll be able to have reports like this one with the traffic per day, hour, and the sources that your site has. Also, in the behavior side of the analytics, you have the events where you will see the clicks that are made to your outbound links or affiliate products. This will help you see how many clicks and what are the outbound links that are clicked on different sources. To implement Google Analytics on your WordPress site, you can use a plugin, or you can add directly the script in the footer of the WordPress. In this video, I will show you how you can add the analytics with the plugin with Monster Insight. This is a free plugin that you may use, and by default it will help you add analytics and will monitor the clicks that are made on the site. So in this way, to see exactly what links are clicked and see, for instance, if you have a Facebook ad campaign, if the visits on your blog from that source resulted in any clicks, and if it worked continuing with Facebook ads. First thing that you need to do is to create an account to the analytics. The analytics is this one. This is the link, like analytics.google.com. To create an account, just visit this link and you'll be prompted to have an account created if you don't already have one. After you have your account created, you need to add your site for which you want to install Google Analytics. To do this, you go into the admin area like this, and in here you hit create an account, and in this area you let the website, and you put here the name, website name, the link. If it is HTTPS, you choose HTTPS from here. So the category, the time zone. For this, you can let it like this and just hit get tracking ID. So after this, you'll be able to go into your WordPress admin area and install the plugin. To do this, you go into the plugin area and add new. Here you search by the plugin name, Monster Insight. This is the plugin. You just hit install now and then activate. Right now the plugin is installed. We just need to configure it. To configure it, you go here in the Insights, in Settings. Okay, this is the dashboard of the plugin. In here you have the Launch Setup Wizard that you need to click it and go through the setup for the plugin. In this region you choose the type of the site. This is a publisher blog. I hit next. Here it will ask you to connect with Google Analytics. You hit connect. Then it will go to analytics page and connect it with with your site. You to do that, do this. When you finish, it will prompt you to choose the sites. I have multiple sites, so I need to choose the one for which I want to have this installed. For this one, copydas.com. Then complete connection. Okay. Next, it is the part where you'll configure the clicks for the affiliate links. For instance, in here, affiliate link tracking. Here you can, if you're using some plugin to clock your links, you can put it here. For instance, I clock my affiliate links with 30 affiliates, and the affiliate links will have the go. So when for instance I want to add an affiliate link, like to say for Monster Insights, I will create the link with updas.com/go/Monster Insights in this part. So like this, so someone will click on this link, it will be redirected to the affiliate products. So all the links will have the go tracking to them. So like I want to keep track of them, so I put here let the go, and here I will put a name like affiliate for these labels. If you had multiple ones, you can add it here. I have only one. In this area you choose who to see the reports. I choose only the administrator, and then you just click next. Here it is prompting you to buy some pro add-ons to have additional reports or to have additional tracking for EMP. I will hit next because I don't want this. I will skip this installation and hit the finish wizard. Let's wait a little for this to save. Okay, now the configuration finished, and we have Google Analytics installed on our site. Next, if you have a caching plugin, you just need to clear the cache. So the configurations to enable. After, if you go to your dashboard, you will see some widgets here that will display some information about the sessions, the page view that you had in the last 30 days. If you go in this area reports, you have more reports that comes with this plugin. These are the free reports that the plugin has. So here you see the day traffic, page views in this area, total number of visitors. Here are the top countries, top 10 referrers that send traffic in the last 30 days, top pages. If you want additional reports for publisher ones, you need to buy the pro version, and in here you'll have more reports like landing page, outbound link clicks, and so on. You have additional reports into analytics account if you want. In here, if you will go to the home for the account for the UPDAS, let's go and see. In here you will have all the reports with all the pages that were visited, like traffic sources, and so on. If you're new to Google Analytics dashboard, just browse it to get familiarized with it and see the stats that you can see here. You have the demographics to see the countries, gender, age in this area, the locations. In the behavior part, you have the reports with the event, like the clicks that were made. I've just activated this plugin yesterday, so I don't have a lot of stats. There are only for yesterday. So in this part, you'll see the outbound links and the outbound links affiliates one. If you go here, you see the event action. This is the link that was clicked in my site. In this area, you will see what the visitor chosen. Here you have the label. The label is the link name that you put it on your website. In here you have also the pages. That generated the most events. In this area you have the event flow, and you can create here a diagram, and you will see from where and what event was chosen. You can choose here, for instance, the source, and you will see that the person from Google has clicked this, and this, and this, and so on. You have also additional reports that you may want to create in analytics if you want additional informations. So this is how you install Google Analytics your WordPress site. I've also written articles here. The other thing that you need to think of when it comes to measure the stats of your blog is the EMP. EMP is Accelerated Mobile Pages. This is a standard developed by Google to have more fastest pages. This plugin, it doesn't track the EMP stats in the free version. You will need to buy the pro version to have access to EMP stats. So in case you have EMP enabled on your blog, you can set analytics on the EMP pages with other free plugins. For instance, there is a very nice plugin that I'm using called EMP for UP. This one allows you to enable EMP on your blog and make also various customizations to your page. To add analytics to this plugin, you just need to install the plugin, and after you install it, you go into the settings. It is like this. So EMP settings, and in this area you have the options for the plugin to choose some customizations, the SEO, the analytics enabling part. It is here under analytics, and in this part you just enable it like this, and then you need to put your tracking ID. This ID, it is visible in your analytics account. So if you go into admin, and if you go into the property here, for instance, for the UPDOS site, here you have to choose the accounts. So I already chosen the UPDOS one. In the tracking info, tracking code, you have here the tracking ID, this one. So you just need to add it in here and save it. And afterwards you will have EMP stats also for the EMP pages. This this tracking, it will not track your clicks, unfortunately. So next, you can also use Glue for Yoast Seo Plugin. This is a free plugin that works with Yoast Seo, and you can put here the configurations to use Google Analytics on the EMP pages. Next, let's go to the performance impact of Monster Insights. I wanted to see if there is any difference when it comes to slowing down your site by activating this plugin. I've done a test on the same page to see the number of requests and the total page size to see if there is any difference. And in first test, I had the plugin. So the site loaded in 2.6 seconds with 4221 kilobytes and only 30 requests. And in the second test, the same page, I run the GTmetrix on it. This installed the plugin and only use the footer in the script. The load time is not really important because this may vary in function of the server, but what is important is the total page size, and here you will see that only inserting the script you will have a bigger page size with one extra request. So using the Monster Insight plugin, the free one, it will not add any performance load on your site. So this is how you can enable analytics on your WordPress blog and keep track of your visitor and the about links. You can let a comment and tell if you are using this plugin, or maybe you're using another plugin, or if you're using directly the scripts in your WordPress site. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching this, and see you in the next video.